Okay, so let me do some of the questions that were on page 74D of the booklet that you had. So it's asking you to work out the missing lengths. So the first question, the triangle was like this, and that's 6 centimeters, and that's W, and you're told that the area is 12 centimeters squared. So you know that 12 equals W times 6 divided by 2. So it's a number divided by 2 that gives you 12. So that top number needs to be 24, because when you divide 24 by 2 you get 12. That means that W times 6 equals 24. So W must be 4. And because we're talking about centimeters, it's 4 centimeters. Okay, so let's do the next one. The triangle is rotated, but doesn't make any difference to the way that we're going to do that in this question. That's 8 centimeters, and you're told that the area is 18 centimeters squared. So I know that 18 is a number x times 8 divided by 2. So what number divided by 2 gives me 18? It's 36. So I know that 36 must equal x times 8. So at this stage I stop and I go, oh, hold on a minute. 36 isn't in the 8 times table. I know that 4 times 8 is 32 and 5 times 8 is 40. So you could do it with a calculator, or knowing those two things, you'd be able to guess that x is 4.5. Okay, so it's 4.5 centimeters. Right, the next triangle looks like this. That's 4 centimeters, and that's y, and now the area is 12.5 centimeters squared. So we've got 12.5 equals y multiplied by 4 divided by 2. So what number, when I multiply it, when I divide it by 2, is going to give me 12.5? It's going to be 25. So that means that 25 equals y multiplied by 4. So 4 times something is going to give me y, and the way that I can work out what y would be is to divide 25 by 4, and it gives me 6.25. So it would be 6.25 centimeters. The next triangle looks like this, although I've drawn it pretty badly. That's meant to be a right angle, and this is Z, and this is Z, and you're told that the area is 40.5 centimeters. So we know that 40.5 equals Z times Z divided by 2. If any Americans are watching this, then it's obviously Z, isn't it? Z times Z is Z squared divided by 2. So you can think to yourself, what number, when I divide it by 2, is going to give me 40.5? And hopefully you'll know that it's 81. 81 divided by 2 is 40.5. So that means that z times z must equal 81. And we've done loads of square number revision, so you guys will know that a number squared, if it makes 81, then that number is 9. So z is 9 centimeters.